Welcome to a walkthrough of Docsumo, a powerful document AI platform that transforms unstructured documents into clean, structured data. Today, we'll be using the example of revenue reconciliation, a common challenge faced by many companies. The typical revenue reconciliation process might look like this. You receive a multitude of documents, such as invoices and bank statements, via email or as files on your Google Drive. These documents are then manually opened, and the information is copied and pasted into an Excel sheet. However, not all files are standardized. You may receive bank statements and invoices in various formats and currencies. The task of matching bank statement line items with invoices can be time-consuming and prone to errors. Typos or partial payments can cause discrepancies, leading to even more work. All of this manual effort ultimately results in delayed reporting. But what if all these manual steps could be eliminated? What if an AI agent could take care of the heavy lifting? Let's see how this can be done with Docsumo. Once you've signed up on Docsumo, you will get access to Docsumo's dashboard. Let's start by creating an auto-classifier agent for your documents. Begin by clicking on Add Document Type, then search for Auto Classification. If you want your files to be auto-classified to any document type, choose the General setting. However, if you prefer your files to be auto-classified only to certain document types, select the Custom setting. For this demonstration, we'll choose the Custom setting and classify our documents into bank statements and invoices. From here, you can upload your documents via directly uploading your files or importing them using API, or one of our many integrations. Let's first create the auto-classifier. Suppose we want our documents to be imported from a Google Drive folder. To achieve this, we need to create an integration. Navigate to the Integration tab on your left-hand side and proceed to the Connector library. Here, you'll find a variety of integrations available. Let's add the Google Drive integration. Let's name this as Google Drive Demo. Confirm the name and grant the necessary permissions for Docsumo to connect to your Google Drive. Now, your Google Drive integration has been created. Let's proceed to add the import trigger. Let's assign the auto-classifier agent we created to this trigger, give this trigger a name, and create the integration. For this example, I have already created a demo Google Drive folder. Here, let's choose the Google Drive folder as the source, configure rest of the settings, and finish setting up the trigger. Now, let's go ahead and upload some documents to this Google Drive folder. After uploading, head back to Docsumo. You will now see that the integration identifies the files within the Google Drive folder. Let's enable the integration and save the changes. Now, let's go back to our auto-classifier agent. Please wait a few minutes for the auto-classifier to run and identify the files within the Google Drive. You will see that the auto-classifier has now received the documents and is automatically classifying them as invoices and bank statements. Let's give it a few seconds to classify the documents within these two folders. You'll soon notice that there are approximately 20 invoices and 2 bank statements. You can head to Data Tables to see a unified view of all your process documents. Let's navigate to Document Types. Here, you'll see your documents grouped under their respective document type folders. All classified invoices are under the Invoices folder, and all classified bank statements are in the Bank Statement folder. Let's take a look at invoices. All your invoices are populated here. You can head over to the data table. And here you can see a unified view of all your invoices, with key fields mapped to their respective column names. For further analysis, you can use smart filters to sift through this data. For example, let's take a look at all the invoices with an amount exceeding $3,000. You'll notice that all invoices with an amount greater than $3,000 have been filtered and are now visible. The filter has been applied to a specific column, which you can see here. If you wish, you can also review your document directly from within these data tables. You can delve deeper into the document by clicking on Review Document. You'll see that 100% of the data has been extracted by Docsumo. You can take it a step further and provide LLM-based field extraction rules to extract data in the way you prefer. For instance, in this example, I've instructed the AI agent to prepend the extracted invoice number with INV number. And that's exactly what the AI agent has done. Once you're satisfied with the extracted data, simply click on Confirm and your data will be processed. Your document will also be available in a clean format, thanks to the integration Docsumo has with Google Sheet. For example, the bank statement line items have been extracted and mapped to invoices corresponding to them, and all the invoices have been extracted to another sheet. As your documents are processed, the information on these sheets is filled in real time. It's as simple as that. Once this entire flow is set up on Docsumo, your document processing workflows will be a breeze, with Docsumo's Document AI agent taking care of everything. All the tedious manual work is handled for you, allowing you to concentrate on more significant tasks. That concludes our session for today. Subscribe to Docsumo's channel for more document automation tips and tricks.